Welcome to episode 4 of CommunityManager.tv. I'm your host, Daniel Tekanoff. Today, we're going to take our first property tour at Kota North Scottsdale. We're going to get some tips from their property manager, Sunshine Ellis from Avenue5 Residential. If this is your first time watching, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notifications enabled, or you can head over to LinkedIn and follow our page there.
Kota was built in 1998, finished construction 1999. We have 736 apartment homes based on 52 acres in North McDowell Mountain. And so it's basically located on Thompson Peak Parkway and Frank Lloyd Wright. So very North Scottsdale, right next to the McDowell Mountains. It's someone's home. People have been here literally over 20 years. This has been their home. So we have 4 pools, 2 spas, 2 pet parks. We also have 2 pet spas. And we have so many pets here. Last count was just over 300 that we thought the best new amenity to add would be a pet spa. So we have Kota North and Kota South, 2 different addresses. It kind of breaks up the community a little bit, but each side has all those amazing amenities. We have ample parking, we have garages, and we do valet trash service. We have package concierge. We have a concierge on site, on top of a team of almost 20 employees that run this place. So a lot going on all the time. It's literally a little city. We probably have over 2,000 residents, but yeah, it definitely keeps us busy. So unique amenities, I briefly mentioned, would say that we have our pet spas because we have so many pets. But the really unique and amazing thing I think about Kota that's you wouldn't even know really unless you came here to tour would be that we are based on the McDowell Mountain Community Center. We're part of an HOA, and in turn, as a resident, you have access to all of the $1 million homes up here that have access to a lap pool, a basketball court, tennis court, a pickleball court. You can take scuba diving classes. I mean, they offer so many different things on top of farmers markets and food trucks and wine nights, wine and jazz nights, and things for the children too. They really they do e-blasts, they do newsletters. All our residents have access to all of that and at no charge to them. And so that's probably one of the biggest perks of being a resident here is that you have access to the same thing that these homeowners do up here as well. Another thing that a lot of people don't know is we work with Arizona Wildlife and Fish and Game with Arizona because we have so much wildlife. We have over 65 javelinas that live on site alone. That was the last count in 2022. And they're always roaming the streets. I have rattlesnakes that are called on in the summer on a weekly basis. We do have to call the fire department for that to take care of them and take them back to the preserve. We also have bobcats, so many bunnies, and I mean, our wildlife is just absolutely amazing. And so are our flowers even this time of year. Like really, our landscape is phenomenal. We're also part of the Arizona Multi-Housing Association, and we have just become 5-star certified. And we're one of 10 communities in 2022 that actually became certified. And what that means is that we are part of we do coalition meetings. We meet with Arizona Multi-Housing Association. We have crime-free watches. Background checks are ran on everyone that we are aware that lives here. So again, just really the big thing is follow-up communication and taking care of our residents.
Now that we've gotten to learn about the property as a whole, let's take an apartment tour and see what living at Kota North Scottsdale is like.
So we're going to be entering our A1. It's a 1-bedroom, 1-bath at 707 square feet, and it is going to be one of our fully renovated apartments here. And then all our apartments here do have 9-foot ceilings, and it definitely gives it that very much open concept of a layout that we have here. So just off to your right-hand side, you're going to have the living room area with the built-in bookshelf. So you are gonna have the cool gray cabinets in the kitchen, and then all the apartments will have stainless steel appliances as well as white countertops. And then this amazing sunken sink with a garbage disposal. So if you make your way over here, we will have our primary bedroom. You will notice that the closet is not in the actual bedroom, but it is in the bathroom, which is a nice addition to this floor plan because it's the only floor plan like that. You'll have, again, your quartz countertop, your lovely mirror, cool gray cabinets, and then your Roman tub just over there. And then just off of the living room area, we will have our patio. This one here is gonna have the open railings. Some will have an enclosed patio.
I asked Sunshine to share some property management tips, and here's what she had to say.
I have been in this industry 19 years, so almost 20 years. I started as a leasing professional, and I didn't think this is where I would be, but I tell you, I love my job and I love what I do. And so I think the biggest thing I would have told myself back when I was a leasing agent is don't take things so personal, because it's not you, it's usually the situation. And then take more time off. I don't know, our generation, or even I guess the people that live and work in the US, don't take enough time off. I mean, I have so much sick and vacation time. I don't feel like I take enough time off, you know? And so I made that a goal recently to make sure that I did that, because life's too short. You never know what the next day's gonna bring, and we work hard. So why not vacation every once in a while? Take it. I mean, use the benefits that your company gives you. Like we just have so much really that companies can offer that we just don't utilize. And so I would say, yeah, just take some more time off for yourself. We need that mental break. And honestly, that's the best way so that you can keep on and help a property or a company, is really just take care of yourself too. Mm-hmm. Well, work hard. I mean, you have to work hard and be dedicated. I don't have children, so, and nothing against children. Children are a beautiful thing, but I have dedicated my life to work. Like Kota is my baby, you know? So I'm here bright and early, and I'm the first one to come in and the last one to leave. And I just make sure that my team's always taken care of. I'm really big about team building and stability. So I do a lot of things for them, like take them to lunch, or, you know, buy them breakfast, or, you know, doing things for my team brings me happiness. And when they feel appreciated, they'll want to work hard for you too. So I would say really just appreciate your team. That'd be some additional advice. And really, you know, pay attention to detail, really listen to residents. We get so quick to want to interrupt and say, like, fix it, because that's what we want to do, is fix it now. But really just listen to them. Really listen. Take notes. Wait until they're done, because sometimes they just want to vent, honestly. And when you have an answer, if you don't have an answer right away, let them know you'll find out and follow up. That's the biggest thing. And if you don't follow up, that's when they'll get angry. You know, if they know like appliances are on order, you know, if it's been a week, follow up and say it's still on order, it's on back order, you know, just always follow up, because they just want to feel like they care. That it's really good to just spend that couple minutes and really just say, hi, how are you doing? Are things good? Anything, whether it's good or bad. You know, maybe they want to just say, hey, you're doing a great job, or hey, I noticed this leak over here, you know, and just wondering if you're aware of it. I mean, I can't be everywhere all the time, right? So everyone is, again, you want to treat them as a person, not just a number.
Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on CommunityManager.tv.